Madam Speaker, the minimum wage for industrial security guards will also be increased. This rate moves from 10,500 to 14,000 per 40-hour work week. The increase will be in effect for the next 2 years, starting at June 1st, 2023. Madam Speaker, the revised hourly rate for work done by security guards during any period not exceeding 40 hours in any week will be increased to $350 per hour. That is the single time. Work done during any period in excess of 40 hours in any week will attract a time and a half rate. That rate will be increased to $525 per hour. Security guards will be paid double time for any period worked on a rest day or a public holiday. The double time rate will be increased to $700 per hour. The allowances payable to security guards will also be increased. These include laundry allowance, which will move from $47.62 to $52.38 per hour. Firearm premium allowance moves from $51.95 to $57.15 per hour. And dog handlers premium allowance will move from the current $35.72 to $39.29 per hour. Finally, Madam Speaker, security guards life insurance coverage with double indemnity protection and dismemberment coverage will now be increased from $2,976,000 to $3,275,000. All these increases take effect on June the 1st, 2023, Madam Speaker. Thank you.